Today we are going to discuss about Karnataka PU Board previous years and important 1 mark questions from the topic determinants. First question. This question is given in March 2020 and March 2016. If delta of x to 18x is equal to delta of 6 to 18 6, then find the values of x. So what is given? Given delta of x to 18x is equal to delta of 6 to 18 6. So expand this determinant. X into x is x square minus 18 into 2 is 36 is equal to 6 into 6 is 36 minus 18 into 2 is 36. So x square minus 36 is equal to 36 minus 36 is 0. So x square is equal to 36. X is equal to plus or minus square root of 36. Therefore, x is equal to plus or minus square root of 36 is 6. Therefore, x value is plus or minus 6. Next, second problem, March 2019 and March 2015 question. Find the value of x for which delta of 3x x1 is equal to delta of 3 2 4 1. So what is given? Given delta of 3x x1 is equal to 3 2 4 1 is given. So expand this determinant. 3 into 1 3 minus x into x square is equal to 3 into 1 3 minus 4 into 8 4 into 2 8. So 3 minus x square is equal to minus 5. So x square is equal to 3 plus 5. So x square is equal to 8. Therefore x is equal to plus or minus root 8. So therefore x is equal to plus or minus root 8 means we can write it as plus or minus 2 root 2. X value is plus or minus 2 root 2. Next, March 2018 problem. If A is an invertible matrix of order 2, then find delta of A inverse. So we know that A into A inverse is equal to identity matrix. If you multiply matrix with its inverse matrix, then you will get identity matrix. Apply delta on both sides. Then delta of A inverse, A into A inverse is equal to delta of I. So we know that delta of AB is equal to det A into det B. So according to this property, delta of A into A inverse is equal to det A into delta of A inverse. Next, delta of identity matrix. So identity matrix means 1 0 0 1. If you find the det for this matrix 1 0 0 1, then how much will get? 1 into 1 1 minus 0. So delta of identity matrix is 1. So we want here delta of A inverse. Therefore delta of A inverse is equal to 1 by det A. So therefore delta of A inverse is equal to 1 by det A is the answer. Next, March 2017 problem. If A is a square matrix with det A value is 8, find the value of delta of A into A inverse. So suppose A is equal to 2 0 0 4. Then what is det A value? Det A value is 2 0 0 4. So answer is 8 minus 0. So 8. Similarly, A dash means transpose of this matrix. First row we need to write like a first column. 2 0 is first row. So I am writing first row as first column and second row as second column. 0 4. Now what is det A? Delta of A dash value? Delta of A dash is 2 0 0 4. So 2 into 4 8 minus 0. So 8. So that means for matrix A and for matrix A dash, det A value, delta of A dash value is same. So based on this concept, we need to solve this problem. Given det A is equal to how much? given det A is equal to 8. Then what to find? Det of A into A dash is how much? Det of A into A dash is equal to det A into det of A dash. So det A value is 8. Then det of A dash is also 8. 8 into 8 is 64 is the answer. Next question, April 2014. If A is equal to 1, 2, 4, 2, then what is det of 2A value? Given matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 4, 2. Then matrix 2A is equal to how much? 2 into 1, 2, 4, 2. So 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 4, 8, and 2 into 2, 4. Therefore, det of 2A is equal to det of 2, 4, 8, 4. 2 into 4, 8, minus 8 into 4, 32. Therefore, det of 2A is equal to 8 minus 32 is minus 24 is the answer for this problem. Next, July 2016 problem. Find the value of x for which det of 2, 3, 4, 5 is equal to det of x3, 2x5. Given det of 2, 3, 4, 5 is equal to det of x3, 2x5. So expand this determinant. 2 into 5, 10 minus 4 into 3, 12 is equal to 5 into x, 5x minus 3x into 2, 6x. So 10 minus 12 is minus 2. 5x minus 6x is minus x. Therefore, x is equal to 2 is the answer for this problem. Next, July 2014 problem. If A is equal to 2, 3, minus 1, 4, then find det of 2A. Given A is equal to 2, 3, minus 1, 4. Det of 2A. First we need to find matrix 2A. 2 into what is matrix A? 2, 3, minus 1, 4. Then how much we will get if you multiply every element with 2? 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into minus 1, minus 2. 2 into 4, 8. So we want det of 2A. So det of 2A is equal to det of 4, 6, minus 2, 8. So 4 into 8, 32, minus 2 into 6, minus 12. Therefore, det of 2A is equal to 32 plus 12. 32 plus 12 is 44. So 44 is the answer for this problem. Given next problem, some more important questions. Evaluate det of x, x plus 1, x minus 1, and x. So given det of x, x plus 1, x minus 1, x. So expand this determinant. X into x, x square minus x plus 1 into x minus 1 is x square minus 1. So x square minus x square minus into minus plus 1 plus x square minus x square gets cancelled. Answer is 1. Next problem. If A is a matrix of order 3 by 3. So matrix size is 3 by 3. Then find det of adjoint A where det A is equal to 2. There is a formula for det of adjoint A. If a matrix A have order n by n, order n by n, then det of adjoint A is equal to det A whole power n minus 1. So this is the formula for det of adjoint A. So based on this formula, we need to find det of adjoint A. So det of adjoint A is equal to det of A whole power n minus 1. N means here 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. What is det A value? Det A value is given. Det A value is 2. 2 power 2. Answer is 4. Det of adjoint A is equal to 4. Next problem. If A is invertible matrix of order 2, if det A is 15, then find det of A inverse. We know that det of A into A inverse is equal to 1. Det of A into A inverse is equal to 1. Already I explained how det of A into A inverse is equal to 1 in the previous problem. So therefore det of A into A inverse is equal to det A into det of A inverse is equal to 1. So det of A inverse we want. So det of A inverse if we want, send det A to right hand side. So which is equal to 1 by det A. 1 by det A value already given. So how much? 15. So answer is for det of A inverse answer is 1 by 15. Find the minor and cofactor of an element 6 in the determinant delta is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we need to find minor and cofactor for element 6. So my element 6 is in second row, third column. Second row, 1, 2. Second row and 1, 2, 3, third column. So minor of 6 is equal to M 2, 3. Second row, minor in second row, third column. So how to find means delete the column and delete the row of 6. Delete this column and delete this row. Then what we will get? 1, 2, 7, 8. So if you delete the row of 6 and if you delete the column of 6, then which elements you have? 1, 2, 7, 8. Now find the det of these elements. 1 into 8, 8 minus 14. 8 minus 14 is minus 6. Similarly, cofactor of 6 we want. We will denote with A23. Capital A23. In the same way, how you are finding the minors, in the same way we need to find the cofactor, but in front of determinant you need to write minus 1 whole power of row number plus column number 2 plus 3 into det of 1, 2, 7, 8. So 1 into 8, 8 minus 8 minus 7 into 2, 14. So before this minus 1 whole power 2 plus 3 is 5. Minus 5. Minus 1 whole power 5 means minus 1 will come. So 8 minus 14 is minus 6. Minus 6 into 1 is 6. So this is the cofactor of 6. Next problem. Find the minor and cofactor of 4 in det of 1, minus 2, 4 and 3. So given det is det of 1 minus 2, 4, 3. So 4 is in second row, first column. So therefore minor of 4 M second row, first column. 4 is in second row, first column. That's why we need to take like this. M21 is equal to, if you want minor for any element, delete the row and delete the column of that particular element. So 4 is here. So delete the column of 4 and delete the row of 4. If you delete this row and this column, then what you have? Only minus 2. So this is called minor of 4. Next, similarly, cofactor of 4 is equal to, we will denote cofactor with capital A. Capital A to 1 is equal to, 4 is in which row and which column we need to take. So 4 is in second row and first column. So minus 1 whole power row number plus column number we need to take, and we need to delete the column and delete the row of number 4. So delete this row and delete this column. Then what we have? Minus 2. Then minus 1 whole cube is minus 1 into minus 2. So minus 1 into minus 2 is 2. This is cofactor of 4. Next problem. Let A be a non-singular matrix of order 3 by 3 and det A is equal to 25. Then find det of adjoint A. Already I told you the formula for det of adjoint A. So det of adjoint A is equal to det A whole power n minus 1, where n is the order of a matrix, det of adjoint A is equal to det A whole power. What is the order of this matrix? Size. Order means size of the matrix. So n value is 3. 3 minus 1. So det A whole power 2. Already det A value is given. Det A equal to how much? 25. 25 whole square. 25 whole square is 625. Therefore, det of adjoint A is equal to 625. Next problem. If A is square matrix and adjoint A is equal to 5, 0, 0, 5. Matrix adjoint A is equal to 5, 0, 0, 5. Then find det A. Given adjoint A is equal to 5, 0, 0, 5. 5, 0, 0, 5. Then find det of adjoint A. Det of adjoint A is equal to det of 5, 0, 0, 5. So find the det. 5 into 5, 25, minus 0 into 0 is 0. So det of adjoint A is equal to 25. Already in the previous problem, I given the relation between det of adjoint A and det A. So we know that det of adjoint A is equal to det A whole power n minus 1, where n is the size of a matrix or order of a matrix. What is det of adjoint A value? 25. So 25 is equal to det A whole power. What is the size of this matrix? 2 by 2. 2 rows and 2 columns are there. So that's why it is 2 by 2. So n is equal to 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Therefore, det A is equal to 25 is the answer for this problem.